G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now, I've been asked by many of you to do a little video to show you the process of using the Approvals app inside of Microsoft Teams for your e-signature processes. So I'm still amazed that there are so many manual processes still in use today. I receive them all the time where I'm receiving an attachment, it's a Word document, I need to sign that somehow and then send it back to the person that sent it to me. When you can utilize something like DocuSign, which we're going to have a look at here, inside of Microsoft Teams, and we can just simply automate that entire process. Not only does it give you a better experience and make it easier on yourself, but the person at the other end, it makes it so much easier for them just to be able to sign a document without having to think about having to print it and scan it and attach it and send it back and all of that type of thing. That still happens today, and it's a really easy thing to set up. So let's have a look at this in action inside of Microsoft Teams. So we can see here that I am in Teams, I'm in the Approvals app inside of Teams. I've pinned it to my app rail. Now you can see here that we've got integrations in with Adobe Sign and also DocuSign. Okay, so I'm going to click on DocuSign. I've already signed into my account. I do have an account here. It is just a trial account. So if you do want to test this out, you can simply just sign up for a trial account of DocuSign, send a few things out, and then see how that goes for you. Now we can see here, I've got nothing here that I've got ready to go. So what we're going to do here is just send out an employee offer letter. So in the top right hand corner, we've got a new approval request. When we click on new approval request, I can choose, in this case, I'm going to choose DocuSign, but the same thing we could do with Adobe Sign. So I'm going to click on DocuSign, and this is the process. I'm presented with a form, name of the request. Let's just go here is your employment offer letter, and we can have some additional details inside of here. So let's go, please read and sign to complete the process like this. That will do us. Now we can add an attachment, and you can see that this is required because we need something to sign, right? So I'm going to click add an attachment. Now we can choose a template from DocuSign because DocuSign allows you to have your own templates that are inside of DocuSign, or we can upload from my computer. So I'm going to choose upload from my computer, and I will choose my employment offer letter. So there we go there, it's a Word document. Now here is where we go and add our recipients. So we can add multiple if we want to. So this person here needs to sign it. So I am going to say this is for me, and I will enter in my email address here, and we are good to go. Now we could select this also, must complete in order. So if we need it to go from one person to the next, to the next, to the next, we could have a chain of signatories added to here, and we could toggle this on so that it goes through that process if we needed to. You can add additional recipients here like this. Okay, so if I wanted somebody to get a copy of this or just to view this without signing, then we could add another person in there as well. So I'm going to click now on prepare. So the approval request is being created, and you can see here that we are integrating here with DocuSign. It's going to do its thing, and here we go here. So I'm going to add recipients. It's already all filled out for me. I can add messages if I need to as well. But you can see here that this all integrates and already inserts all of this from Teams into DocuSign. So we click on next. And then what we can do here is we just drag our DocuSign fields into here. We might go date signed, and we will now send that off. So that's now being sent. It's prepared via DocuSign. We haven't left Microsoft Teams to go out into DocuSign or anything like that. And it comes in to the Approvals app inside of Teams. We can see that it's in progress, it's been sent by Alex, and it's gone to Daniel. So what I'm going to do now is I will just open up my account that has been sent to, and let's have a look at what that looks like. So we'll just pop that out. And the emails come in, and it's just loading. Here it is here. It's come from DocuSign, Alex, I'm going to then review this document. So I'll click on review document, and then I'll just drag this across as well so that we can continue this process. We can see here, I can review the document, I can sign the document. It's already got the date in here for me, and I will continue, and then I will sign. So I will go, yep, that's me, adopt and sign. That has now finished and completed. All right, so that's the end user. So let's now minimize these, and let's have a look at what happens inside of Microsoft Teams. So let me just refresh this screen here. I mean, I am in the browser, okay? So we'll just refresh the screen, and what we will have, we'll have the updated process statuses here too. So let's just refresh. I can see I've just got a little ding on my phone that has now been completed. Bottom right hand corner, we just saw our toast notifications there. If I jump back into DocuSign, you can see if I flick over to the sent tab, because I didn't receive it, I sent it, you can see that has now been completed. Now when I click on this, you can see here that I have got the trail. It's been requested by Alex, it's been signed by Daniel, and that process has now all been completed. So rather than having to fire up Outlook, attach a document to an email, send that to somebody, get them to sign it, send it back to you, that whole process has just been completed inside without even leaving Microsoft Teams. So if you're still in the, if your processes for signing documents are still, I'll say old school in this case, where we're still sending attachments in emails and documents and things like that, then you should seriously check this out. Have a look at this process. It's going to save you a hell of a lot of time, make your life a lot easier, but also with the recipient, you just saw how easy that is for them to be able to complete and sign that document. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.